Hello, everyone. This is a quick overview of the WooCommerce Flutter-native POS mobile app, designed to simplify in-store sales using just a mobile phone. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First, we need to tap on the WooCommerce POS app. The sales agent starts by logging in with their credentials. Once logged in, they'll enter the opening cash amount to activate the POS session. For now, I'm adding $5,000, then clicking on the OK button. As you can see, we're now on the home screen. From here, the agent can browse products. For example, I'm searching for a cap, and here you can see it displayed. Next, we search for a beanie. This product is also visible, and we can quickly add it to the cart. The floating subtotal bar updates in real time as items are added. For instance, I'm adding the hoodie with logo, and the subtotal updates instantly, right before our eyes. Now we have categories. Products can also be filtered and added through specific categories like clothing, decor, or music, helping agents quickly find what they need. Moving on to orders. All previous orders can be viewed under the Orders tab. Each order displays full details, including items, total amount, discounts, and customer notes. Invoices can be generated and printed directly from here. Next, there's a built-in barcode scanner. Using this, agents can instantly add products by scanning the barcode, saving time and reducing errors. For reference, I'm scanning a barcode now. Once scanned, the app automatically redirects to the product, as you can see here. Click on the right tick button to add the product to the cart. Now, let's move to more options. Under this section, you'll find Printer Setup, where you can configure your Wi-Fi printer for invoice printing at counters. The POS user can also view and manage sales, counters, or sessions. Finally, we have the Customer section. Here, the POS user can search for a customer, delete customer profiles, or edit customer information. Then we have the Reset section. Under Reset, there are 4 options: Resync all POS, Resync products, Resync orders, and Resync customers. Next is the App Theme option. You can quickly switch between light and dark modes, and then there's the Logout button. To proceed with the sale, the agent taps on the Subtotal button, which opens the order page. From here, the POS user simply taps on the Pay button. Next, the POS user selects the desired payment method, such as Stripe, PayU, PayPal, and so on. Then they need to enter the cash collected. After that, they tap on the Done button, followed by the Pay button. Once the payment is processed, a success page appears showing the cash collected, the order total, and the change due, providing a clear summary of the transaction. All data, orders, customers, and products is synced in real time between the mobile app and your WooCommerce backend. That's how effortlessly our Flutter-native POS app streamlines in-store selling, making it faster and more efficient right from your mobile device. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.